You know, lasagna is one of those dishes that we really love. Yet for one reason or another, we just don't make it nearly as often as we'd like. When I ask people why that is, they say, because it's too complicated. Well, guess what? It's not. And today we're going to prove that. After cooking and draining some lasagna noodles, we lay them out on a cookie sheet. While those sit for a sec, we brown a mixture of ground beef and Italian sausage, crumbling it while it cooks. Now, all we do is spread a little spaghetti sauce on the bottom of a baking dish, and the rest of it we add to our skillet. Next, we place 3 noodles over the sauce and top them with a layer of ricotta cheese that we mix with a little Parmesan, an egg, some chopped parsley, and a few spices. We blanket that with some sliced mozzarella cheese and our meat sauce. Then we repeat that 2 more times and it's ready to bake. See, I told you it was easy. The big reward comes when you cut through all the layers of the tender noodles, the meaty sauce, and the creamy cheese filling. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we call Meat Lovers Lasagna, so you can whip up this Italian classic anytime you want. I'm Howard with Kelly, our resident Italian in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.